In today's video, I am going to teach you how to export customer list from Stripe. Want to show XPS? Start by making sure you are already logged into your Stripe dashboard. Once you are on the dashboard, look to the left-hand navigation menu. From there, click on Customers. This will open the Customer section, where you can view the full list of customers connected to your Stripe account. Take a moment to review the customer list on the page. This helps you confirm that you are in the correct section before starting the export. When you are ready, move to the upper right corner of the page and click the Export button. This will open the export settings for your customer list. Next, choose your preferred time zone for the export. This is important because the dates and times in your exported file will follow the time zone you select here. After that, choose the date range you want to export. You can select one of the available preset ranges, or choose Custom if you want to enter your own specific start and end dates. Once the date range is set, go to the Columns dropdown. Click it to choose which customer fields you want to include in the export. This lets you control the information that appears in the final file. You can include only the fields you need, depending on how you plan to use the customer list after it is downloaded. After selecting your columns, review all of the export settings carefully. Check the time zone, the date range, and the selected columns to make sure everything matches what you want to export. Taking a moment to verify these details can help you avoid generating the wrong file and needing to repeat the process. When everything looks correct, click Export to begin creating the file. Stripe will then start generating the customer export. Depending on the size of your customer list and the amount of data included, this may take a little time. Wait for Stripe to finish preparing the export. Once the file is ready, download the exported customer list to your computer. You can then open it and use the data as needed for reporting, review, or record keeping. Thanks for watching. That covers everything you need to know.